Hello and welcome back. So yesterday we were looking at making equal groups. Today we're going to be looking at adding equal groups. So we need to think about what we learned yesterday about making equal groups. Remember, equal means they have the same number. And then we need to start thinking about how we would use these in adding. So we'll go through an example together, but first what we're going to do is we're going to start counting backwards in tens. So at the beginning of the week, we were counting up in tens. Now let's see if we can count down. So we're going to start at 100 and we're going to count down. Are you ready? Let's do it together. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Well done. Excellent. Should we do it again a little bit faster? Let's go. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Well done. Excellent work. So, what we're going to do is we're going to be looking at how to write an addition sum to represent the pictures. So what that means is we're going to look at the pictures and we're going to use it to make a plus sentence. So this sentence here will have three numbers. In the first section here, we have what number? 2. Very good. In this section here, we have 2, and in this section here, we have 2. So our number sentence is going to be 2 plus 2 plus 2. And what's the answer? It's on the screen, so it's very easy. 6, very good. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 2 is 6. Or we can skip count, 2, 4, 6. So, I want you to get your pencil and your paper, and we're going to start doing these by ourselves. Are you ready? You can do it. Let's go. Question 1. Write an addition sum to represent the picture below. So we have groups of 2. So it's going to be 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Do you see for each 2, there is going to be 2 cubes. What I want you to do now is, can you find the answer? 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. You can count them, you can add them, or you can skip count them. Write the answer beside number 1. Okay, question number 2. Write an addition sum to represent the picture below. So we have a number on a dice. We need to count how many dice and how many of that number. So the addition sum will be 5 plus 5 plus 5. Can you figure out what the answer is? You can do your counting, your adding, or your skip counting. Write it down now beside number 2. Okay, question 3. We need to write an addition sum to represent the picture below. So, do you think you know what number we're going to use? Have a look at the petals. How many petals are on each leaf or on each flower? That's right, 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flowers. Each have 5 petals. So it's going to be 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Can you find the answer? You can either count all of the petals, that's the long way, You can add 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. That's also the long way. Or you could do the quick way, which is skip counting by 5. Write the answer now beside number 3. Okay, number 4, write an addition sum to represent the picture below. So each picture has, very good, 10. So our number sentence, our number sum is going to be 10 plus 10 plus 10. What's the answer going to be? Are you going to count, add, or skip count? You choose. Write the answer and the number sentence beside question 4. Okay, question 5. Write an addition sum to represent the picture below. What do you think the number is going to be? Very good. We have 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Find the answer and write it down now beside number 5. Okay, question 6. I have 3 pictures. I have some cherries, I have some apple trees, and I have some pneumacon. I want you to look at each of the pictures and write your own number sentence to tell me what it shows. So for number 6, I've shown you at the bottom how many numbers should be in each one. For number 6, I should see 3 number sentences showing me an addition sentence for the cherries, the groups of cherries, the groups of apple trees, and the groups of pneumacon. Okay, question 7. We have a girl called Sue. Sue says, this picture shows 3 plus 3. Have a look at the donuts. Is it showing 3 plus 3? 2 groups of 3? Is she correct? I want you to write true or false, and I want you to tell me why. Why is she right or why is she wrong? Okay, our last question today is question 8. Create a story for the following picture. Now, when it says story, it doesn't mean like a story in English. It means a number story. So I'll give you an example. If you want, you can use this example, or if you want to challenge yourself, you can come up with a different one. So here's an example. I rolled dice and all of them landed on the number This is equal to So I haven't given you the whole story. You still need to fill in the numbers yourself. Have a look, see if you can write a story for the picture, or you can use my story and fill in the blanks. When you're finished, check your work, make sure all of your numbers are the right way around, make sure that you've done nice, neat work, that you have numbered your questions and uploaded onto Class Dojo. See you next time. Bye.